Alright guys, you're welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. If today is your first day you're coming to this channel, please subscribe, like and share. And don't forget to click on the notification button as well. Okay, in a quick one I'll tell you, right? And as for those of you who want to buy skincare properties, we want to buy skincare organic materials, organic recipes, or cosmetic, you can always count on us. Just call the number on your screen you see right now. Okay, that's the number you call and just place your order. You see, just place your order. You will always get what you needed, and it's affordable. It's not cost, it's affordable. Some said it's too high. Please don't go buy fake things. So we have fake product up there. Please don't buy fake ones. Buy from us. Okay, we ship everywhere. Yes, we ship to US, Canada, Asia country, Europe, UK, just name it, Africa country, even in Nigeria as well. Everywhere in Nigeria, we ship everywhere. Yes, okay, and then wherever you are, you can always place your order. Like as I said, everything they are affordable. You can get them, right? Okay. And as for those of you who want training, yes, I give you one-on-one training on WhatsApp. One-on-one training on WhatsApp, and it's video call. You understand? Just you alone. I don't do group training. You pay those money. You people contribute. No, one-on-one training. One-on-one training. Whitening product you want to know about? Fine. You want to know about hot cake creams? Fine. We give you that training. You know what I mean? And then again, let me use this medium of time to drop this one for you. A lot of people crying for stretch mark. It's not a big deal. Yeah, stretch mark can be caused by a lot of stress or I don't know, whatever it is, or maybe some recycle generational thing or bloodline thing. But I know mostly ladies is being caused by their stretch marks is caused by stress. They stress too much, they work too much, so all that. Even some men also. You know what I mean? Okay, but I tell you what. Don't say I didn't tell you. I've got a solution. Another solution. They say, this guy, where are you coming from with your solution? You always come with solution. Yeah, that's me. Because we don't rest. We keep on carrying out research. But let me just show you. You see, there's not two ways about it. You're not gonna see this in anywhere. All you just need to do, just get this from us. Get this from us. Get this from AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Then put it inside your lotion if you want. But not even your lotion. I'm not gonna call the name. If you need that, want to know how much I've said in the name, just chat me up. Yes. Are you getting it? Because a lot of people, you be coming to trick me. I'm an elderly man. Don't think I'm a baby. They come to trick me. I can't get it anywhere. You understand? All you just need to do, scrub the hell. I give you a scrub. Scrub the hell out of the stretch mark anytime you apply that scrub. Wash your body after that. Just apply this. It's gradually, before you know it, fade out. What I just say, scrub the hell out of the stretch mark. Yeah, apply this. That's all. I tell you, reach up. I'm not in here. If it doesn't work, I refund your money to you straight away. Wherever you are, if it doesn't work, I refund your money straight away. So come for this oil. We have different colors of them. Some are milk color, some are yellow. But the thing is that your stretch mark must die. Don't say I didn't tell you. I just told them stretch mark must die. Stretch mark must clear. Stretch mark must go. That's the idea. We ain't here to tell you deep story. Anyway, I didn't go anywhere today. I'm just in my living room doing this. So just say I'm tired. Let me just have a good rest. So just all about that. Don't forget I say stretch mark must die. So for those of you who want to place your order, place your order now. For those of you who need recipe, skincare recipe, organic recipe, cosmetic, place your order now. You know what I mean? And thank you all once again for my fans out there. You making us popular. You making us, everywhere. You recommending us to different persons. I should thank you all. If not you, there's no me. So I appreciate AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. I appreciate. You know what I mean? Yes, but don't forget to place your order so that you're not for the victim of those people selling fake product. Got it? You see? Yes, and we sell only in larger quantity. I told you we sell only in larger quantity. So if you really need all your item, just meet us on WhatsApp. We talk on WhatsApp more about this. That is it. So I say that is end of our tutorial. You know what I mean? Stretch mark must die. Stretch mark must go. Stretch mark gotta go.